Why do you want to decorate your graduation cap in the first place? Well, I'll tell you why. It's your day. You've been working so hard for years for this accomplishment, and you get to stand out. You get to take these wonderful pictures, and you get to put your graduation cap in a memory box or in your office, whatever the case may be. You want to be unique, and you want to stand out for your friends or family when they go to your ceremony. They want to be able to find you right away.
Okay, so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna cut the exact dimensions of our graduation cap in an 8x10 paper so we can take this to the craft store rather than the cap. And we're also gonna be using it to trace paper and stuff like that, so be sure to cut out the exact dimensions.
And research either graduation caps related to your career or memes related to your career. Find inspiration and you make it your own. I didn't exactly find a cap that looked like this, but I was looking for a techie related graduation cap. So I was looking for cloud computing, computer science, tech related memes, and eventually I found a picture of the cloud that I was interested in.
And here I'm taking you on a trip to Hobby Lobby, my favorite craft store. And again, see, I'm using this paper to measure out other pieces of paper. Look, these are awesome. There are 4 for $1, and you can see all these beautiful patterns that they have. This other section had these for 40% off, the Paper Studio Vinyl. They had multiple colors, and this other clearance section one was 50 cents. So you do not have to break the bank to decorate your graduation cap. Here we are at the sticker section. There are some beautiful flowers and just a bunch of stickers. Look at these gorgeous cactus. Unfortunately, I cannot use them for my hat because I'm using a tech related theme, but they're gorgeous nonetheless. Here we're in the wood section because I wanted to get some wood letters in case I need them for my cap. And I used the little white paper I cut off earlier to measure out the wood letters. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you a quick haul of what I got at the craft store. I got these foam glitter letters and numbers for my graduation cap. And I got a bunch of colorful papers because I couldn't decide which one I wanted, so I needed inspiration with the letters. And of course, I have the LED lights that I got at Amazon. These were, I believe, about $10, and they come in like packages of 10, so you could always use any extras for maybe some centerpieces or to add some extra lights to your cap or to your attire. I don't know, but they look like this. Okay, so I'm basically cutting off the letters that I need before I commit to sticking them on the paper. And then I grab the paper that I decided to use. It's this cloud, like light sky color. I'm positioning the letters where I think they would look good. And as you can see, I messed up, so once I stuck them on the paper, it was actually easy to peel them off if I made the mistake and then peel them on again. So it's no big deal if you make a mistake. You can just simply do that. Of course, it doesn't look perfect, but who cares? As long as it looks good in pictures, then it does not matter. And now to the hard part. I'm looking at the picture that I'm going to follow, and I'm going to trace with a pencil the lines where I'm going to be gluing on the LED lights. Grab a ruler or any straight object you have handy. I had a coaster handy, so I'm going to go ahead and trace out the lines. And I just kind of traced it based on what I thought would look good with my graduation cap. Now comes the really hard part, and that is gluing your lights onto the traced portion. And it was hard because sometimes it wouldn't stick, so I did have to go a little heavy on the glue. So again, using your glue gun, paste your glue on your LED lights, following the traced area. Be patient, it will peel off. Just put on more glue, put more glue on top, on the bottom, on the sides. It doesn't matter, you won't even see the glue once you turn on the lights. This honestly took me, I would say 30 minutes to an hour. But that was because I was trying to follow like these straight lines. If you don't have to follow straight lines, like if you have just wanted random lights in your cap, then this shouldn't be as hard, but we'll see. And then I was looking at the little cloud that I got, and I was making sure that it fit well with the lines and I wasn't covering much of the LED lights. So yeah, that looks good. And then I keep pasting on more of those LED lights. I ended up using 2 of them. Oh, remember to draw the hole in the middle and use some scissors to poke the hole in the middle, and then put it on that button area of your cap. And now we are actually committing to gluing it onto the cap. So just grab your glue gun and paste any excess. You might have excess paper, but that's okay. You can cut that off if you want. I ended up just using black construction paper to cover it. Anyway, what I'm doing here is any excess LED lights, I'm wrapping it around the head area. And then I'm going to grab the glue gun and make sure I glue on the any parts that might be loose. Now you put on your tassel and you are good to go. Turn this baby on. Yeah.
Congratulations on your graduation. Please let us know if you are going to be designing your graduation cap, or if you already graduated, let us know if you ended up decorating your cap. See you next time.
Yesa Granillo.